Hi, hello. This is Vamsi. The last topic in this video is applications, tools, and best practices of SQS. Our faculty advisor is Victor Govindaswamy from Concord University, Chicago. Real world applications. Pipelines are processing e-commerce orders, jobs involving pictures scaling or video encoding, gathering and processing of IoT data, analytics work scheduling in the backgrounds, event communication across services, message buffering for microservices and APIs, design patterns. The procedure consumer pattern separates the sender and the recipient. SNS publishes to several SQS queues using the fan out pattern. The load leveling pattern events out nodes surges. Multiple FIFOs queues for job priority makes up the priority queues pattern. The dead letter pattern makes sure that unsuccessful messages are kept safe, promotes fault tolerant and scalable architecture. Queue design best practices. When uniqueness and order are important, use FIFO. For application requiring a high throughputs, select standards. Set up a visibility timeout according to processing duration. Store use data in S3 and limit messages sizes to 256 KB. To save money, steer clear of lengthy detection periods. Turn on DLQs as soon as possible to improve debugging. Security best practices. Use IAM to enforce least privileges access. Use AWS KMS to encrypt messages. To prevent using the public internet, use VPC endpoints. Turn on alert logging for cloud trail. Regularly switch up your credentials. Keep an eye out for questionable uses of IAM. Performance optimization. Send and receive up to 10 messages at a time. Reduce API expensive by enabling lengthy polling 10 to 20 seconds. Use auto scaling customers according on the depth of weight to increase throughputs. Process messages concurrently. Reduce inactive users to save money. To cut down a request each frequently used metadata. Developer tools. Python, Java, Node.js, Go and Net AWS SDKs. AWS SAM CDK for automatic infrastructure. AWS CloudWatch for tracking cores. To trace the flow of messages, use AWS X-Ray. For SQS local testing, use LocalStack. For testing at the API level, use Postman AWS CLI. Troubleshooting tools. DLQ examination for unsuccessful messages analysis. CloudWatch logs for problems made by Lambda consumers. Cloud Trial for tracking sent and deleted messages. Performance diagnostics with AWS X-ray. To debug context, use messages attributes. Use scripts to reprocess DLQ messages in order to receive recovery. Integration examples. Serverless jobs processing with SQS and Lambda. Workflow authorization is a function of SQS plus step. Batch and containers processing using SQS plus EC2 and ECS. SQS plus S3 file processing based on events. Async database updates using SQS and DynamoDB. Extensively utilized in event driven designs. Compliance and governance. SQS compliance with ISO, HIPAA, SOC, and PCI DSS regulations. Use Cloud Trail to log all API activity. Support retention guidelines and data encryption. Offers multi-agent durability for dependability in compliance. Perfect for regulated and enterprises grade settings. Use security event monitoring to increase visibility. Future of SQS. Keep developing for microservices and event driven systems. Message filtering and increased FIFO throughputs are on the horizon. Improved compatibility with step function and event bridge. Expanding applications in IoT, machine learning, and artificial intelligence pipelines. AWS is AWS is concentrating on observability and latency reductions. Continues to be vital component of the AWS communication system. Thank you guys.